Hi everyone, I'm Monica. So picking up where Shruti left off, for our post-assessment, we wanted to do the word splash activity, which would build off of the post-it activity. And with this, students would work in small groups to reinforce the ideas learned about healthy social interactions during the lesson. And this would also allow students to work in an alternative format in a smaller group versus the larger full class. And in this activity, students would create a word splash using words that were important to each group member. So this would be culturally and linguistically representative. And then we would post these in the hallway outside of the classroom to share with other students and staff. To evaluate student understanding, we as counselors use process data, perception data, and outcome data. So for process data, we would use the number of lessons taught, the number of students in each class, to provide logistical information about the reach of the lesson. So for perception data, this is where our pre and post assessment would fall because it provides information about attitudes, knowledge, and skills. We would also use class participation via the lesson activities and also communication and teamwork skills. And lastly, outcome data came from the root of why this lesson was created prior to the modifications. And so we would use the number and frequency of peer conflicts and peer mediations prior to the lesson, and also the frequency after the lesson was delivered. Some multicultural considerations. We wanted to create a lesson that provided space for students to tell their stories. So this would be multiple stories versus the single story that Adichie discussed. We also wanted to validate the cultural capital and knowledge that students bring to school and to the classroom. And through the activities, we hoped to create something that was culturally relevant, socially significant, and personally meaningful so that it would allow students to confront, question, and transform their linguistic representations and identities. And so we hope through our modifications we could meet these themes that we were striving to reach. These are our references. And thank you so much. If you have any questions or comments, we're happy to respond.